Okay, guys, we're going to do the lesson here on 66 with our musical instruments that we have from Mr. Keston's room. So let's think about sound, all right? What causes the sounds that musical instruments produce? Any ideas? Vibrations, okay? And so can you think of any instruments that would vibrate when they are struck, when they hit something? Any ideas? A drum would be one. What about, yes, a xylophone. Okay, so those are percussion instruments. A drum produces sound when the surface of the drum vibrates. How can I change the loudness of that sound? By hitting it harder. Same way with any of these other ones, okay? You change the sound by hitting it harder. So let's compare the pitch of the sounds produced by the drums. So listen to the pitch. This one's a little one. And then here's the big one. Did you hear a difference? I can hear a big difference. So, which drum has the higher pitch sound? The smaller one. Do you know why? Well, because it vibrates faster. And that is why it has a higher pitch sound. So let's compare the pitch and sounds produced when I tap each of the bars of the xylophone. Did you hear any difference? Which bar has the highest pitch? The shorter ones. Which one has the louder, the deeper pitch? Would be the longer ones. So which bar is vibrating faster? The short ones or the long ones? It's a lot like it was on the drum. It's going to be the shorter bars. Okay, they will be vibrating the fastest.